Not on the High Street, Noths, is an online marketplace that showcases unique, independent, and creative products from small businesses. It was founded in 2006 by Holly Tucker and Sophie Cornish. To make passive money online with Not on the High Street in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide. Research. Investigate the Noths platform, its products, target audience, and market trends. Identify a niche. Choose a specific product category or niche that you're passionate about and has potential for growth. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP. Create a distinct brand identity that sets your products apart from others on Noths. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Source suppliers. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen product niche. Ensure they offer high-quality products and competitive pricing. Design your products. If you're creating your own products, design them with your target audience in mind, keeping in line with current trends. Create a professional online presence. Develop a website and social media profiles to showcase your products and brand. Register your business. Set up a legal entity for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Ensure you have the appropriate licenses and permits to operate your business. Set up a payment processing system. Choose a secure payment gateway to accept online payments. Register for taxes. Apply for a tax identification number and understand your tax obligations. List your products on Noths. Create an account, complete your seller profile, and list your products on the platform. Optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to increase your product visibility. Set competitive prices. Research and price your products competitively while maintaining profitability. Promote your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your Noths store and website. Engage with customers. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally, building a positive reputation. Monitor and analyze performance. Track your sales, traffic, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and growth. Continuously innovate. Stay updated on industry trends and consumer preferences, introducing new products or improving existing ones. Scale your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range, collaborating with other sellers, or exploring additional sales channels. By following these steps, you can build a successful passive income stream with Not on the High Street in 2024.